So the light from the object hits this top mirror here, reflects down to the second mirror, and then reflects straight into your eye.
Item 1. Kyle's house is enclosed by a perimeter wall. His bathroom mirror, labeled Mirror A, makes one appear bigger while using it, especially when a person stands close to it. He also has some pieces of mirror labeled Mirror B, in which the size of the image is the same as that of the object, no matter how far an object is placed in front of it. The planning authority in Kyle's area passed new guidelines requiring that all perimeter walls less than 10 meters away from the roadside must be broken down. Kyle's perimeter wall near the road seems to be in danger of being broken down. Kyle lacked any measuring instrument to establish the actual distance of that wall from the roadside. Kyle's neighbor across the road advised him to use echo method. His neighbor's wall is 60 meters from the side of the road opposite that of Kyle's residence. The road is 8 meters wide. Kyle stood alongside his perimeter wall that is close to the road and clapped 2 pieces of wood once. He heard the reflected sound from the neighbor's wall 0.5 seconds later. However, Kyle and his neighbor did not know how to use the information obtained. Of late, some young men have been consistently converging along the road near Kyle's perimeter wall. He wants to be watching them closely without the young men seeing him, but Kyle lacks installed security cameras at his residence. Kyle has contacted you for help. Hint: the speed of sound in air is 330 meters per second. Kyle's perimeter wall near the road and the perimeter wall of the neighbor across the road are parallel to each other. Task A. Help Kyle. 2. I. Understand why images in Mirror A appear as observed. Include an illustration. Krickheim. Determine whether his perimeter wall will be among those to be broken down. B. Describe how Kyle can design an optical instrument using 2 pieces of Mirror B to watch the young men closely. Include an illustration. A. I. Mirror A, concave mirror. The observation that images in Mirror A make a person appear bigger when they stand close indicates that Mirror A is a concave mirror. Explanation. A concave mirror has a reflective surface that curves inwards. When an object, like a person's face, is placed very close to the mirror, specifically between the focal point F and the pole P of the mirror forms an image that is virtual. It appears behind the mirror and cannot be projected onto a screen. Erect. It is upright the same way up as the object. Magnified. It is larger than the object. Illustration. The diagram shows rays from the object reflecting off the mirror. The reflected rays appear to diverge from a point behind the mirror, forming a larger virtual image. The ray that passes through the center of curvature to the head of the object is reflected back through the same path, and the ray that passes on top, after reflection, it passes through the focal point, Kyle's perimeter wall. Let distance from the road to neighbor's wall be dn, and the unknown distance from the road to Kyle's perimeter wall be dk, such that the total distance between the 2 walls is d road width, dr, 8 meters neighbor's wall. Distance, dn, 60 meters d equals dk plus dr plus dn, d equals dk plus 8 meters plus 60 meters, d equals dk plus 68 meters, 2d equals velocity times time, v equals 330 meters per second, t equals 0.5 seconds, 2 times open. Parenthesis dk plus 68, close parenthesis, equals 330 times 0.52 times. Open parenthesis dk plus 68 close parenthesis equals 165 meters. Dk plus 68 equals 82.5 days equals 82.5 minus 68 days equals 14.5 meters. Conclusion. Kyle's perimeter wall is 14.5 meters from the roadside. The planning authority requires walls less than 10 meters away to be broken down. Since 14.5 meters is greater than 10 meters, his wall will not be broken down. B. Optical instrument, periscope, mirror B, which shows an image the same size as the object, is a plane mirror. To watch the young men without being seen, Kyle can build a simple periscope. The principle is the 2 mirrors should be inclined at an angle 45 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.